Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2003 Mazda 323, stock number 6540. This ran from the 9th 1998 to the 12th 2003. It has an FS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the FS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Front bonnet just a bit of clear peel in the corner. Left front door mirror. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door 1 dent and a small wobble. Right front door 1 dent. Right front guard no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Aftermarket Kenwood stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.